Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. Brendan's with me today.
I'm back.
He's back. I always love having him with me. And today he's going to show us how to make pork and beans.
Pork and beans. Pork and beans.
And I'm looking forward to this.
Yeah, we're going to try it out in the...
we're going to do it in the Instant Pot.
Yep.
Okay, so y'all, bear with me. This is a new Instant Pot. My other one gave up on me.
So what we're going to do right now is we're going to season these pork loin ribs, boneless. You might see them as country style ribs or western ribs before we brown them. So we're using Kinder's the blend, salt, pepper, and garlic.
Oh, and it smells good. I like that stuff. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put you on.
Yep.
Now, I've got the Instant Pot on the saute mode. So you want about a tablespoon of oil.
Yep, about a tablespoon.
And you think we can get them all in there at one time without overcrowding?
Maybe not, but since we're going to use pressure cook it later, I think we'll be fine.
Okay. All right. Well, it's your dish.
We're going to let it heat up for a minute, or you want to go ahead and put them in?
It'll catch up. So all we're going to do is get a little bit of color on these, and that's going to give it a little added flavor.
Yep.
So, just this seasoning on this, Brandon, smells so good.
Yeah, it does.
Now, these are the, what are they, country style ribs?
Yeah, country style ribs.
You can get them with bone in, boneless. He got the boneless. It wouldn't matter if it had bone in it, would it? Bone just gives it extra flavor too.
Yeah.
So, see, I'm already hearing that sizzling. It doesn't take long.
No, it doesn't take long.
And it won't take long for this to brown up a little bit on each side. So let us get it browned, and we're going to come right back with you, and he'll show you what else he's going to do to this dish, okay?
We'll be back.
Yeah. It smells so good in here, don't it?
Buddy.
Oh, and if you could see inside this pot, do you think we can tilt the pot a little bit with the handles?
We got some pictures.
We got some
Let's
pictures.
just be safe.
Y'all, it's just the browning on this is phenomenal.
Well, here, let's do this.
Okay. Yeah, just hold one up. Looky there. Don't you want some?
You can see it. Yep. There you go.
There we go.
Here's what we're going to do now.
Okay, so yeah. I've not made this before, so.
Right. Let me get them in the right position in there. So let's add our red beans in the water.
Okay, so we've got a pound of red beans.
Yep. We got a pound of red beans. So you want to get that water ready?
I'll get it. Yeah. And we have 4 cups of water.
Yep. Go ahead. Got it?
And we're going to pour the water over. Oh, that just...
Yep.
Okay. Now, tell us what else you're going to put in here.
Onions. So we had 2 medium onions.
Okay. So they're chopped.
Yep. We're going to do carrots. Is that 1 carrot we did? I think so.
Yeah.
1 jalapeno.
Seeds and ribs removed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's where your heat is.
We got cut up 1 bunch of cilantro.
Yeah.
So we have the stems here, and they're really good in this.
You know, there's like cilantro, parsley.
Yep.
There's a lot of flavor in the stems. And when the ones with the soft stems, you can't eat it.
Yeah. Then we have the leaves.
Save back a few for garnish. Would you do that for me?
You want me to take some out?
Just a few.
It's
That's
gonna be
good.
fine. You sure?
Yeah.
Is that enough?
That's good.
Okay.
Make it party at the end.
Then we got some garlic pucks that she makes.
Yeah, y'all know I like to freeze my garlic.
Yep. And I need
And it is so... What do you need?
I need a pair
you
of
need
scissors.
some
Yep.
scissors. Now, do we want to put some salt and pepper in this?
Yeah, we can. Or we can do it to taste, however you want to. So look, real quick about this packet. I bought a bag of red beans that I bought. Is for red beans and rice, and it comes with a little seasoning packet. And it's actually really good.
Mm-hmm. And it has all kind of seasonings in it. And
we'll tell you here in just a little bit what seasonings are in here, because if you can't get them in your area, you can add the seasonings.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take this. I'm going to try to mix everything up with this.
Kind of squish it down in there.
Yeah. Put it down in there. And everything mixed up.
You think we need some more water? Maybe not, since we're pressure cooking it.
Yeah.
It looks really good inside this pot, y'all.
We got flying cilantro. I think it's going to cook down. It usually does.
Yeah. I wish I could see down in here.
And I'm going to wash my hands.
His hands were washed before.
Y'all don't go off on me.
And after. Let's do this. I can do that. It's not hot.
You got it, Mom?
Y'all look in there. See that beauty?
Yeah, looks good.
Isn't that beautiful? This is going to be so good. He's not done yet. He is not done.
No.
Oh, I want to put a little salt and pepper.
Go ahead.
Not much, just about a half a teaspoon. And pepper, because we got the seasoning, and so it'll have salt in it also.
Will you get me a big spoon to
Sure.
this with? And I'm just going to use these to open up this can.
Is this okay?
Yeah. We got, what is it? 28 ounce
28 ounce, I
of
think.
whole tomatoes. Plop them in there
With the juice.
with the juice. There you go. Give it a stir.
Yeah, that liquid's coming on up now with that tomato juice.
Yeah. Here, let me kind of,
Oh, that's going to be so good.
let me turn to that.
So good. And y'all know,
I know it's going to mix up, and I like doing this. It makes me feel good.
January is my one pot meal month.
Mm-hmm.
So this would make a beautiful, or is going to be a beautiful one pot meal.
Where's the lid to this thing?
The lid?
Yeah.
Back here. Okay, so how long do we need? Are we going to cook this?
I think since we browned it, I think we're going to try about an hour. You want to try an hour?
Let's do that. Let's do that. So let me get this set.
Yeah.
It's vented. I got the vent in the right spot.
Okay.
So I'm going to get this set for an hour, and then we're going to come back. We'll let it depressurize, which takes a few minutes, and then we're going to come back, and we're going to show you what it looks like. And we're going to make some rice.
We're going to cook some rice.
We're going to cook some just regular white long grain rice.
Yep.
All right. We'll see y'all in a few minutes.
We're back.
We're back. And y'all, this cooked for an hour in the Instant Pot. Now, I would say on the stovetop, if you cooked at stovetop, which you can, a couple of hours or so.
Few hours.
Yeah, till your beans are tender. And but we just want to do it in the Instant Pot because we're hungry and we wanted to get it done.
Man, it looks good.
We made some rice. I cooked some white rice to go with it.
Yeah.
Now, what I'm going to do, and y'all seen me serve rice like this before, I've just got a big scoop that I'm going to put in this bowl. You can put as much or as little as you want. Okay?
It looks good.
It looks good, doesn't it? And then he's just going to serve some there with it. We'll hold it up for y'all to see. Now, this is going to be so daggum delicious.
Get you another piece of meat there.
Well, that's more than enough for me. Give me some juice.
Juice?
Some juice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. And then I chopped up some scallions, green onions, and I'm going to garnish it with the green onions.
Well, that looks good.
And we've got some cilantro we saved back.
Yep.
And I want to put just a smidge of cilantro on it.
Go ahead.
Because I thought it would be good. We're using cilantro in it. And those pretty green leaves.
You want any hot sauce?
Oh, yes, we will do hot sauce. Y'all look at that beautiful bowl. Hold that up there, Brandon. Look at that beautiful bowl.
There you go.
Of deliciousness. See that there?
We'll take a good picture of it.
Oh, my goodness. Yes, we definitely will.
There you go.
And I'll just
You'll fix mine.
dribble a little hot sauce on it. Let's make yours.
Okay.
Fix my baby's plate. You probably want more rice. He is my baby.
Yep.
There you go.
Okay.
Now, do you
watch
want
my elbow.
cilantro and green onions on yours?
I'll do green onions.
Okay. Isn't this beautiful, though? I can't wait to try this. Pork and beans. Who would have thought to do it like this? Let's get you some green onions. You tell me when.
When?
When?
Yeah.
Okay. You want hot sauce?
Yeah.
I think just a little bit. Y'all know me and hot stuff.
And I like my hot sauce. Oh, never mind. There you go.
He eats the hot stuff too. Ghost pepper. Okay, so you ready?
You try it first.
I'm getting a little rice and a little bit of everything else in here.
Yep.
And you know, this is not that many ingredients.
Cool it off a little bit.
Is that worthy of the Brandon dance?
That's really good. Pork's tender. Good, perfect.
So tell them when it's so good, I do the Brandon dance. They know the Brandon dance now.
I gotta take another bite.
Brandon, this is good.
Really good.
That was a good idea to make this. He called me last night and he says, Mommy, you want to make some pork and beans? I said, what do you mean pork and beans? That is delicious. Absolutely delicious. That was a great idea, son. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you for coming over today and doing this with me.
Yeah.
And we got to get Debbie in. He's out working in the yard, of course.
Yep.
And we'll feed him. And you know this, until I put that hot sauce, it's not hot, y'all. It's mild.
Yeah.
And so you can put as little or as much if you want any on yours.
Yep.
But
and we told you earlier we'd tell you what was in the seasoning packet.
yes,
but we'll put
yes.
We'll put it in the
description box. Yeah, let's do that. Because I got to dig out the package and see where we put it.
Okay. All right. Let's go eat.
All right, let's go eat. Like Daddy says, I'll quit talking and you keep eating.
Okay.
Thanks for joining us today.
Yep.
And I certainly appreciate each and every one of you. And I appreciate you being with me today.
Enjoyed it.
And always enjoy having my babies with me. But yeah, please come back and visit with us soon. And I hope you'll like, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when we put out another video.
Yep.
But y'all don't forget, we have 2 cookbooks. He has recipes in each book. And this is going in the next book. So he'll have another one in there.
And there we go.
So anyway, y'all, thanks again. And we'll see you soon.
Bye.